Here, I'll show you how to automatically convert MKV file to MP4 using OBS. So here is my MKV file. Now I'm going to my OBS and clicking on settings. In here, select advanced. Under recording, here you will find this automatically remix to MP4 option. So you have to check this option to enable and click on apply and OK. Now all you have to need to convert your MKV file to MP4. From your OBS Studio, click on File and click on Remix Recordings. Here, click on this OBS recording box and click on this three dot. And now from your computer, select the MKV file and open the file here. Once the file successfully opened, here under Target File box, select the file and click on this three dot. And select a folder where you want to export the MP4 file and click on save. And now just click on Remix and click on OK. Click on close, going to File Explorer, and here as you can see I've successfully converted this MKV file to MP4 using my OBS Studio. Thanks for watching.